Good evening, students. Today I will discuss about the gear terminology. In this class, I will draw the diagram, and after that I will do the layout of gears profile. So first I will write the gear terminology. uh, just uh, just look it carefully, because this is a very important part in your mechanics of machine subject, gear. So we will start the gear diagram. Mm, just wait for a minute. I am drawing the diagram. You just check it carefully, because in your exam, if you are not practicing properly, you are not able to draw the diagram during the exam. So you just draw the diagram maximum time, so you can able to draw the diagram during the exam period. Because I am drawing the diagram in by hand randomly, so maybe the layout looks little bit different. If you want to recheck, you can refer the book also. You can draw the diagram from your book properly, from your book. Then the exact diagram you will get. Just give me a second. Here I am doing the layout. Different color I am using for looking it properly, so you can get the idea about the different part of the gear. Okay. Here the here you can check that here we will draw the layout about the face with addendum circle will denote, and the pitch circle addendum root, then bottom land, top land, circular pitch, tooth thickness, space width, then clearance, then working depth. So the lower portion is known as dedendum circle, or dedendum root. Okay. Then this portion is known as bottom land, and this upper portion is known as top land. Okay. And this portion is known as face and plank. This portion is known as clearance. This portion is known as dedendum. this portion is denoted as pitch circle. This portion is known as dedendum circle. Addendum circle. This known as phase width. This is known as working depth. Now I'm changing the color because for find out the portion easily. So this portion is known as addendum. This portion is called as circular pitch. This is known as tooth thickness. This portion is called as space width. Now I am defining which one is pitch circle. So pitch circle we may call it is an imaginary circle drawn in a such a way that a pure rolling motion on this circle gives the motion which is exactly similar to the gear motion. So I will write, you just try to understand. It is an imaginary circle drawn in such a way that pure motion on this circle gives rotating rolling motion on this circle gives the motion which is exactly similar gear motion. Next is pitch point. What is pitch point? It is a point where two pitch circle of the mating gear touch each other. Next is pressure angle. What is pressure angle? It is the angle, will denote as phi. It is the angle between common normal at a point of contact at a pitch point. It is the angle between a common normal at a point of contact at a pitch point. The standard value of a pressure angle are 14.5 degree, 20 degree and 25 degree. So the standard value of pressure angle are 14.5 degree, 20 degree and 25 degree. If we draw the diagram, you will get the idea about the pressure angle. Here I am drawing the diagram. This is 2, this is 1, and this portion is known the pressure line, and this line, the upper line, is known as common normal at the point of contact. Here I am drawing another diagram. From this you will get the idea clearly. Next is module. What is module? Module it is defined as the ratio of pitch circle diameter in mm to the number of teeth. M equals to, mathematically we can express it at M equals to d mm by t. Next is addendum circle. a circle drawn from top of the tooth and concentric to the pitch circle is known as addendum circle. Next is dedendum circle. A circle drawn from bottom of the teeth and concentric with a pitch circle. Then circular pitch. Circular pitch we may define as in mathematically C equals to phi d by t. Here d denote as C is denote as circular pitch and d denote as pitch circle diameter. And T denotes as number of teeth. C we may define as it is the combination of space width plus tooth thickness. Next is diametral pitch. Diametral pitch we may define as PD equals to T by D mm. It is the ratio of number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter, but diameter should be in mm. This is the diametral pitch. Next is relation between circular pitch C and diametral pitch PD. This is the circular pitch into diameter pitch equals to phi. Next is tooth thickness? What is tooth thickness? Tooth thickness is the thickness of tooth measured along pitch circle. Along the pitch circle. Next is tooth space. Tooth space. The space between the consecutive teeth measured along the pitch circle. Okay. Then next is backlash. Backlash. What is backlash? Backlash basically we may define as it is the difference between tooth space and tooth thickness which is generally provided by to avoid jamming due to the thermal expansion. Then next is face. What is face? Face is the portion of tooth profile above the pitch surface. This is the face. Next is, if we see the diagram, you will get the idea. Next is plank. Plank is the portion of tooth profile below the pitch surface. From the diagram, you just check. This is the below the surface. Next is path of contact. The path of contact we may define as path of contact is the path of approach plus path of recess. Okay, this is the path of contact. Then arc of contact. The arc of contact is the path traced by a point on the pitch circle during the starting of engagement to the end of engagement. Next is gear ratio. What is gear ratio? Capital T by small t. So here the capital T means stands for number of teeth of gear and small t number of teeth of pinion, or we may call as small gear. Okay. Next is velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is the VR equals to 1 by gear ratio. This is the velocity ratio. Then angle of action. Angle of action we may denote as angle of approach plus angle of recess. Okay. Last is contact ratio. Contact ratio we may define as angle of action by pitch angle. So already I have discussed, you just study properly and this is a very important for your exam also. Okay. I hope this video lecture will help you during your study, and if you have any doubt, you just refer your textbook and check anything I have missed. You just check it and study properly, because it is very important for your exam. Okay, thanks for watching this. Good night.